Hi, I'm Dan Finkel, and I'm a math educator. There's some research that suggests that when students understand what they're working on, have clarity about what the goals are, they are more likely to actually learn more. And I think that's probably right. But what that often is translated into is we need to write the learning goal on the board. And that is a little facile from my point of view. I think that there are some other opportunities that are potentially more powerful. One of those is, instead of saying, oh, by the end of today, you should know how to solve an algebra equation, or you should know how to multiply these two numbers together, it can be very powerful to frame it as a question instead. There's an essential question. Today we're going to work on this problem of how you multiply numbers together. How do you solve an algebraic equation? Just framing things in terms of the essential question that you're working on really changes that framework, because now it's not, oh, did you just get this thing and there's kind of no surprises, but it's like, oh yeah, I'm actually pursuing this larger goal of trying to understand a new idea or a new technique. Everything else can be the same, but a question being our focus rather than just a statement of this is the goal in a very narrow way is a huge game changer. The other nice thing about that is the same question can go over multiple days or even weeks, because there might be multiple facets for getting into things. It's not, did you hit it today? Because that's not usually how students learn. Students may put things together over multiple days or even weeks, and having that opportunity just keeps them engaged in the process. Here's the other thing that is so powerful when it comes to learning targets, learning goals, is you can actually make problem solving part of your learning goal. You can say, hey, today your goal is to make a conjecture or to prove someone else's conjecture wrong. And if you can do that, that's what a successful day looks like. Today, the goal is to find a pattern, or to just be able to articulate your ideas to someone else in the room, or to use a table to figure something out. Just giving those kind of options as what the goal is can actually expand from, oh yeah, math is where we learn this skill and then we learn this skill, to, hey, math is where we tackle relevant questions and learn how to become better problem solvers.